boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have Audrey Hobert, 2% for you, first time here on Growing Guitar. Nice to have her song here. I just came across this Bowling Alley, and it's a very simple song to play on guitar, and I've actually been trying to dance on a bowling alley myself. It's not too easy. Very slippery, I can tell. So great work there, Audrey. Anyway, let's go into this song. And we're gonna do this with capo on 5th. That's the absolute best scenario for us. 3 chords. That's what's rolling through the entire song. So let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with C. Alright, C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be the D minor. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E, and finally we have the F major 7, and that goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E, and that's it. So 3 chords played in the same way through the entire song. Now let's go into the strumming, and yeah, let's look into this strumming pattern. That's a 2-part strumming, very similar to each other but slightly different anyway. So we're gonna look into C first, and we're gonna play part 1 of this strumming pattern. It goes down, 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 up, like this. Okay, so notice I'm playing on the bass strings for the first 2 downs, and then I play on the higher strings on the 3rd down. Then I have a short pause, and I come up on the higher strings as well. So, okay, so that is part 1 of strumming. So, then you go to the next chord, D minor, and play exactly the same as C. So, and then finally you go to the F major 7, and you start in the same way. So you play. And then comes part 2 of the strumming, and that is basically to just take away the first down. So you have a short pause instead and play down, down, bass top, and then short pause, and then up again. So just take away the first down from part 1 and have a pause there instead and play the rest, and that will be part 2. So part 1 and part 2 will be like this slowly. And that is what you're going to play for F major 7. So together it sounds like this slowly, and then I'm going to speed up to standard tempo. Guys, so there you have it. Very simple song to play, but nice to have Audrey Hobert here with us. Bowling Alley. Give it a shot if you like this song, and if you like me, maybe my voice, my guitar, whatever. If you like to support me, then I'm very grateful for that. Hope to see you soon, and play tuned.